Sa kabila ng pagiging mainam na pamamaraan ng gamutan, kakaunting Pinoy CKD warriors lang ang sumasailalim sa peritoneal dialysis. Bukod kasi sa maraming Pinoy pa rin ang walang access sa serbisyong pangkalusugan, kulang din sa kaalaman.
Mahirap, complicated daw ang gumawa ng peritoneal dialysis kasi nga naman the patient needs to do it for themselves. But of course, we need to understand that these are very easy steps lang naman po in doing the dialysis. No? Each center will have to meron naman po silang programa in teaching, training.
For those already on dialysis, we really promote peritoneal dialysis first here at the NKTI because it actually has a better PhilHealth coverage as compared to hemodialysis. Once they are approved for the Z package, lahat yan may Z package ng dialysis, transplant, peritoneal dialysis. It can cover 3 to 4 exchanges per day. And it's just that kulang yung promotion and then the patient's confidence in the treatment.
Sa datos ng NKTI, isang Pinoy ang nagkakaroon ng chronic kidney disease kada oras o 120 sa bawat 1 milyong populasyon kada taon. Kabilang sa kanila sina Erwin at Shirley na hindi pa rin nawawalan ng pag-asa at patuloy na lumalaban sa hamon ng kanilang karamdaman.
Doctor Next Door.